Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see the new concept how the saving deposit amount, how we can transfer to the loan EMI. So just have a look. So from the customer create form, let's create one customer. So I will select one group and let's create. So I will just save here. So here file number 6 we have created. Let's search file number 6. So here I will go to the deposit and let's create one saving deposit of this member. So 4% yearly rate of interest, and the tenure I don't want to mention, so I will just save this. Now let's go to the just search customer. Now let's go to the loan. So from here I will just create loan of 20,000, rate of interest 2%. Let's take for 335 days at the interval of 14. So this is fortnightly loan, and here I want to add the charges. So let's say 200 charges of document charges. So I will just add. Now I will select here saving account transfer. So this whole amount will be transferred to the customer saving account and the charges will be deducted from this principal. So let's calculate. So here you can see 19,800 is the pay amount. So now I will loan 6 is created. Now let's go to the customer account. So here in a passbook we can check loan number 6 and saving account 3. So I will go to the saving 3. Here you can check whole amount is transferred to the customer after deduction of document charges. Now let's say customer is total amount 19,800. By cash customer want to withdraw. So there is zero balance now. Let's go and check the transaction. So here zero balance. Now let's say customer want to deposit, he want to pay the loan amount. Let's go and check the loan number 6. So here loan is given to Gitanjali, and let's check the installment amount. Go to the installment tracker. So 1023 is the installment amount. So let's go to the loan saving deposit 3. Okay, D-3. You need to search D-3. So here let's say customer has deposited 2,000. Again let's click to the deposit. So here you can see balance is 2,000 now, and let's go to the loan number 6, and now this 1023 we can receive from customer's deposit number 3. So here I have selected saving transfer and then just receive this amount. So you can check in the installment tracker, one installment received successfully, and if you check the transaction, here you can see received from saving account number 3 to the loan number 6. So it will directly received from the saving account to loan account. So this type we can manage this very easily in Jainam Software. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day.